Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a professional-looking login page to your Wix website, this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a custom login form, making it easier for visitors to sign in, create accounts, and access your site's members-only content. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a community hub, having a proper login page adds a layer of privacy and user engagement that really elevates your web presence. So let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Wix App Market. You can find this in your site's dashboard. Just look for the little icon that looks like a shopping bag, usually on the left side menu. The App Market is kind of like Wix's own app store, packed with tools to help you customize your site. In the search bar at the top, type in Wix Members Area. This app is the key to unlocking exclusive pages and content for your site members. Go ahead and click on the Wix Members Area option when it appears in the results. Once you've selected it, hit the Add to Site button. This part might take a few moments as Wix installs everything and sets up the basic framework on your website. Don't worry if you see a loading spinner or some prompts. That just means Wix is working behind the scenes to configure the members' functionality for you. After it's finished, you'll notice that your site's menu has changed a little. Now you'll see login info right there, which means the members area has been successfully installed. Essentially, this gives your users a place to sign up, log in, and manage their profiles. It's a big step towards making your site feel more interactive and secure. Next up, let's set up the actual login page. Navigate to the Pages section of your site editor. This is where you control all the different screens visitors can see on your website. You should now see two new additions, the Sign Up page and the Login page. These were automatically created when you added the Members Area app. We're going to focus on the login page for now. Click on the login page from the list, here, where you can start customizing the experience for your users. Wix gives you a choice between a default template and a custom form. I recommend selecting the custom form. This lets you tweak things like the fields users have to fill in, the look and feel of the page, and even add your brand logo if you want. Custom forms are great if you want a unique experience or need to collect specific information from your members when they log in. Once you're happy with your selection, just click Add to Site. Wix will then automatically generate the login page using your chosen settings. You don't need to worry about code or complicated configurations. Everything happens behind the scenes, and your new login page will slot right into your site's navigation. Now it's time for the fun part, previewing your work. Click the Preview button in the top right corner of the editor. This lets you see exactly what your visitors will experience when they arrive at your login page. Take a moment to test it out, try entering sample credentials, and make sure everything looks and feels just right. If you notice something that's not quite perfect, you can always go back and make changes until you're happy. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning login page on your Wix 2025 site. Adding this feature makes your website more interactive and secure, and gives your users a smooth entry point for engaging with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching and good luck building your site.